garbage continues to be a menace in Imphal city. And major student bodies want construction of Jiribam transit accommodation building at suitable site. Hello and good evening. You're watching Times of Manipur. This is SILKY CH with the news in detail. Unknown gunmen opened fire at a school van last night at Lamlai Mayai Lekai under Lamlai Police Station of Imphal East. No one was injured in the incident. A report said that the shooting incident took place around 11 p.m. The van belongs to one Thingbaitam Sunil as a 27 years of Lamlai Mayai Lekai. The incident happened when some unidentified gunmen attacked the vehicle kept near Haino Khongnembi Community Hall, firing 6 to 7 rounds. Protesting the incident, locals set all shops at Lamlai Bazaar, where they staged a sit-in demanding immediate clarification from the concerned over the shooting incident.
Kari mara laibeno moina tawbirize khoi ka sukhang de nga si ju kharanga na khanga da baju iskun suti tharabanina khoi khangdre ngarang sumai tawdana makhonta bombla wara musu ya ena khalle angang hi dinga ta na ju ma di moi bon gi lai na chathokre ade mai mai ngarang gi nongmai mali da makhon maru ta abri yenge na thinarapa matamda sidi mai num gari jida Nomai maru makon kano maru oina makun hulene na hai ada yeng ba thokpani adu da icha sigi maran kari leibeno karamba nungai ta baino moina sigi phibam da tawrije angang du gi skun gi angang mayam tongingai da sigi thodok je tho adu karamba phibam da oidoino ba moina tawrije do mari rebe sing jina karino tawraga athuba matam da thigapiu adu skun yengo hayeng da gi pekha hogdoimi si skun gi benju police kida case am laibani na phada yadam ne phagre ado hayeng de kari dawraga skun ju sataba yade leiju leja taba mama mapa leja taba mama aina asu wa de jab yuk cheraga som phibam tawse yam ajate.
Strewn garbage continues to be a menace in Imphal city despite promises made by political leaders to make it a garbage-free area. Strewn garbage has become a common sight in the city's historic Khwaramban Bazaar, Hawkaithal Road, corners of Ima Kaithal, Nagamapal Kangjabilerak and several other places since the past 4 days. It is the task of the Imphal Municipal Corporation IMC to remove throughout rubbish in the city, but it has suddenly stopped the collection due to lack of dumping sites, according to sources. The present condition could deface the beauty of the city, especially the Khwaramban Bazaar, besides causing diseases to people. Shop owner said. A woman vendor at Hawkaithal said the garbage collectors have stopped coming there since the past 4 to 5 days. She said the rodent trash could cause many diseases to the vendors and also to people coming to the market. The vendor also appealed to the concerned authority to take immediate action for removing the pile of garbage.
Masi humni shure da ado nam thi bana khoi cha kam cha na dre ibungo na ta yeng jam biu si smai him to mi loi na ra ni ado chin khungkhum dana khang e ba ado masi jaga de khoi popham je mo na tan thok pi bane ba thamu mo khong phamam ba da gi ado hanna ri yeng bi dre phatau ti pe chal le ya ra ga ri masi ong to pe hem bi no ba
akhoi di nam thi ben pham ba ngam dire pol se la cha siren khanna ra ban ado alaina su pok la ka de ni do ado masi smai to is chum de ba moina cha pa mang je pa san bi no na hygiene moina ano wa pa la kha pha ga dan taw ga hen na awa ba hap chali.
All Manipur Students Union MSU District Committee Jiribam, Manipur Students Federation MSF District Committee Jiribam and Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur Desam Jiribam District Council, while welcoming the government's announcement for construction of a transit accommodation building in Jiribam district, the student bodies have urged the government to choose a more suitable site for the purpose. During a press conference at the Jiri News Network, conference hall, Jiribam today, leaders of AMSU, MSF and DESAM stated that even though they received the announcement positively, they want the government to construct the transit accommodation building at Teacher Colony at Babupara or Jiribam Higher Secondary School compound or elsewhere, which is more convenient. AMSU District Committee Jiribam President Urembam Sanjeev Singh said that they appreciate the step of the government to build a transit accommodation center for teachers and doctors, while urging that it should not be constructed inside the lone teacher colony of Jiribam. The student body suggested that there should be a separate building only for teachers in the teacher colony. Desam Jiribam District Council President Laisram Bilaks Meitei said they will not accept building a common transit accommodation for both teacher and doctor. He urged that it should be built at the Jiribam Higher Secondary School compound. MSF District Committee Jiribam President Atom Rajib also preferred Jiribam Higher Secondary School compound or other suitable places in Jiribam. AMSU Jiribam District Committee Publicity Secretary Thokchom Thanil Singh, MSF Jiribam District Committee Assistant Organizing Secretary Syam Sanjoy Singh and Desam Jiribam District Council Publicity Secretary Yumnam Tomba Singh also present during the press conference. It is worth mentioning that the compound of Teacher Colony of Babupara, Jiribam has become smaller due to a supermarket and a central library constructed in the area.
Manipur transit accommodation building haiba was Jiribam Amata teacher colony asida Sagani and Apigi, Dr. Amadi, Olasing Apunba, quarters Hagani Haribase, Wigi, Maggie Negidi, Apunbase, Saning, other transit accommodation buildings, Hagani Hibiki, Wapumsdi, Hui Ladyba, Zibam the Lady, Mahiru Singna, Hogi, Taram, Okolana, Hanging and Tanuma, Hariba, Karikumas, Hanimba, Topaki, Hanima Targas, Lady Bazilibangi, Higher Secondary, Atopa Mapunda, Lady Tokagi, Quarters in Sazaninga, Hanimba, Sabio. Akoigi magi deso ano mating pangjiga aduga loina hariba teacher colony asida bul munjalaga sabagi wafum do wargadi akoi lege mai lu sing yaba no moi
loina transit accommodation building asi sabagi asi yarim kai oja kaptagi hoina Jiribam Higher Secondary School gi compound ga ade mafam chaba kaya ama leini oje yaragadi asi oja singi lefam Jiribam Higher Secondary School gi compound manungda yarim kai sabu haiduna so
Pali Sankar Sina transit accommodation building Sagan and other topic was Jiribam the Leva, my wishing my giddy, around them, Luna, no I to follow Luna, Ladiva transit accommodation building as Sagan and teacher colony, the Tori transit accommodation building as teacher colony, Sabataragadi, Madugi Mayata, Jiribam the Leva, my wishing Lejagani to building as Sabataraga, Jiribangi, Mapam Saba, Mapamda. Teacher colony and Nataba, Jiribam, Mapam Saba, Sabina Pidamata, my revolution in Makedi, appeal to.
As part of the ongoing free medical campaign organized under the aegis of All Jiribam United Clubs Association, Ajuka and Krishna Diagnostic Private Limited Jiribam Hospital, a free medical campaign was conducted at Sunrise Club, Kadamtala, Jiribam today. The campaign was supervised by Vice President of Ajuka, M. Premchand Singh. The main objective of the free and medical diagnostic campaign was to make members of Jiribam clubs and school students free from diseases. Blood groups of local school children were also detected during the medical camp. The medical campaign also exposed availability of facility for 53 different blood tests at Jiribam Hospital, besides finding out ways to control diabetes in Jiribam district.
All Jiribam United Club Association Ajuka Krishna Diagnostics Private Limited 50-bedded hospital ani Samnaraga the Jiribam ki tongan Balakai Club sinda chathaba free diagnosis campaign amagi khero moina asi Jiribam ki Kadamtala Sunrise Club tha pangthumbi makata na so koi pangthupagi patna panjari.
Now let's have a short commercial break.
Sri Krishna Classical Yoga Group India New Delhi ki team Imphal da thunglare North East ki oina yoga gi oza humfu selection tawzaragani lakliba megi tang taruk inglising aniga taraga mapan ningthokaba numitki ayuk pung mapandagi nungthil pung ahum phawba classic hotel imphal da interview tawragani saruk yabining basingna aadhar card amadi masa masagi biodata natraga resume pubiraktuna saruk yabiba yagani paujenjariba Sri Krishna Classical Yoga Group of India Manipur branch contact number 8109939887.
Welcome back. Manipur Amateur Boxing Association MABA ad hoc committee has expressed serious concern over the problem faced by players as the Youth Affairs and Sports YAS has discontinued to provide financial assistance since 2013 due to non-submission of yearly audited account statements, reports on utilization certificates and proceedings of general body. Stating this during a press meet at Manipur Press Club Imphal, MABA convener S. Chandrakanta asked for convening a special general body meeting of the association at the earliest. He further said that currently Y. Irabod is the acting president while Khoibi Salam is the general secretary of the association, which comprises 11 executive members. But after the general body meeting held in 2008, no meeting has taken place till that, he said. According to MABA norms, every elected member must hold the post for 5 years. Chandrakanta also said that the players have been facing hardships as YAS has cut off the financial assistance since 2013 owing to non-submission of yearly audited account statements, reports on utilization certificates and proceedings of general body. MABA's registration is also invalid now, he added. Secretary General and Joint Secretary Administration have been making excuses when they are requested to hold annual general body meeting. Chandrakanta claimed and urged the authority concerned to look into the matter.
GB meeting pangthopka loina loina na association ki tawam thopu thabak thorom sing election taboy am taboy madu tawrukanda president oigara secretary oigara maya photo adu abuse ni akhona hajarisi oja khoibi na da president akoi tangthopki into wafum ma ko kesum te leise tiaba suna kai GB meeting tawdan labo sen maram oidana akai maya ma association thoiba tungda tholaka doriba angangi kari pesa phangba khopa maya do jasna kai bu kholi maya singsi masi awaba mo ji thengna na leire sigi mai mayam singthini akhona pangthok bena GB meeting pangthogadi anobo office biara khanma adun sing mayam tawpham thok mayam du tawbina bani akhona ngasi media sinong sing me kaujaraga akhona khudum jab lawjaga tawbe porse.
Habitat Design Studio opened a new office for architecture and planning counseling at Terasa Yanglera, Imphal today. Habitat Design Studio is a joint venture launched by Yaifa Nepram and his elder sister Peggy Nepram in 2016. Currently, 4 architects, 3 planners and 2 engineers are working at the studio. Considering the lack of proper bamboo treatment method and limited bamboo plantation in the state, the studio aims to give focus mainly on bamboo plants. The launch event was attended by retired chief town planner and also the head of architecture and planning of Habitat Design Studio, and Git Kumar, Manipur University professor, CH Priyoranjan and IGP of Manipur Police, R. Radheshyam Singh shared the dice on the occasion. Addressing the function, Dr. CH Priyoranjan called attention to houses built with wood and bamboos in other places outside the state, unlike the costly concrete houses here in the state.
Any profession and institutions in Sisida, social responsibility ma leiba haibato ngasi gitna how bamboo sina aikoi di resource oirubada natana mi gi la tacharuraga su he khalluraga oi duga khenaba thenarappa aikoi gi dika alternate bamboo is a source of livelihood in the hills. Madagi wakanga khalakpa and how Manipur da icham samna sabi aba yum masi paisa si yamna changal le rega chana bi yamina lakpa haibetare makhong thukta chawga si sum jaw ri khanen khan gumba 12 mm half ka the 16 mm chalaga 20 hani hai gumba so many false ideas led by aikoi elite haitare ko si yawi.
Progressive Writers Association organized the first memorial B. Sarma lecture and also celebrated the bicentenary birthday of Karl Marx today at Manipur Hindi Parishad, Old Assembly Road, Imphal. As part of the celebration, the participants paid floral tribute to Karl Marx and late B. Sarma, followed by book release entitled Phurup Ki Iho by S. Ibohal. Former Dean of School of Humanities, Manipur University, Professor Soyam Lokendrazit, President of Progressive Writers Association Imphal, Laimujam Ramesh Chandra, eminent social scientist, Salam Indubhushan and Professor P. Nabachandra Singh and Professor M.C. Arun, Head of Anthropology Department, Manipur University, attended the function as Chief Guest, President, Guest Speakers and Book Reviewer respectively.
Maramdi laik si chamjamba wari masagi aduga ngasai seirengi novel gum laik nataba masina sama sida awon ba ahong mapurpada yam chauna aidi masina role am lawrakani haibese laik si dege aina thajaba khar leijai aduna theory of revolution form da ikoina sum khanjagi ba dumaina magi phurup ki hoin da mingthon ba laik si su manuscript oina na pajaru kanda masi phongdo ga miyam da phangalagadi yamna kanagani khanbadagi laik si phongjanabagi initiative jai lawjarobani Phurup ki hausu tawgadabani tawadabu masina atopa phurup ki nungaitana thabak tawroidabani aduga malem pumbase subchinna amata oibagi miyeng dai khone yengaga malem si kanborom de hena khoi khumang chauksina honaragadi hena phagani haibagi message piba laing nei samna haijagi.
The Agitation and Propaganda Department of Manipur State Council, Communist Party of India, today celebrated the bicentenary birthday of Karl Marx at Iravat Bhavan, Imphal. On the occasion, editor of Kholau, a fortnightly journal, K.H. Surchan, talked on the topic Marxism and Contemporary World. Several people following Marxism were also present during the event.
Lenin left-wing communism and infantile disorder eyes. Marxism was Marx na thamma porasa. Lenin na mo develop to Lenin ni patungda. Ngashigi science and technology may hong chakhalaba social media information technology mayam laba goblin village ko na matam sida hanagi wakan kukan hanagi thabak kutaw masya hong pata.
Manipur Proletariat People's Democratic Union MPPDU observed 201 birth anniversary of Karl Marx at the head office of Socialist Students Union of Manipur today. Vice President of MPPDU, Comrade T.H. Herozit, President of Young Communist League Manipur, Comrade Kameshwar, and General Secretary of Socialist Women Association, Sarungbam Bianti were the main guests. Karl Marx 201 birth anniversary was celebrated with the legacy and contribution of Marx's work towards a socialist society. MPPDU organized the birth anniversary to commemorate Karl Marx's ideas and his ideology widely across the society. It may be mentioned that, in connection with the function, an English handbook of Marxism by Imphal Times will be published soon, and many like-minded leaders who attended the event discussed on how to spread across the works and ideology and Marx's contributions towards the society. Now let's have a short commercial break once again.
Well, this is true. No matter where we're at and how busy we were, we may not get the time to spend the whole day together, but a time always brings us together when we are dining, especially when gathered around such divinely crafted amenities.
Welcome back. Rejecting Trinamool Congress claims that Prime Minister Narendra Modi did not phone Mamata Banerjee to inquire about Cyclone Fani update. Sources in the Prime Minister's office said that 2 attempts were made to reach the West Bengal Chief Minister, but she didn't respond. PMO staff had twice tried to connect the Prime Minister to the West Bengal Chief Minister on phone, but on both occasions, she didn't return the call. The first time, the staff who were attempting to place the call were told that the West Bengal Chief Minister is on tour and the call will be returned. On the second occasion too, the staff attempting to place the call were told by the Chief Minister's office that the call will be returned. The Trinamool Congress had on Saturday hit out at Prime Minister Modi for calling West Bengal Governor Kesari Nath Tripathi instead of talking to Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee to inquire about the ground situation in the wake of Cyclone Fani. And alleged Modi does not respect the federal structure of the country. At least 17 people were killed and around 63 others injured in 10 districts of Bangladesh as the devastating Cyclone Fani made a landfall in the neighboring country Bangladesh yesterday. The casualties occurred in Barguna, Satkhira, Naukhali, Bohla, Laxmipur, Pataukhali, Bagarhat, Kishorganj, Netrokona and Brahmanbaria districts. Around 13,000 houses were damaged by the storm, including 2,243 that were completely destroyed, while 11,172 were partially damaged. Moreover, about 330 acres of cropland was entirely destroyed, and 52,729 acres was partially damaged. More than 1.6 million people were shifted to safer places. Even as the devastating Cyclone Fani hit the neighboring country, as many as 36 villages were flooded after the storm. The sky remained overcast at several parts across Bangladesh today. Pakistan Army lobbed mortars and opened fire from small arms at forward posts and villages along the line of control (LOC) in Poonch and Rajouri districts of Jammu and Kashmir today. The shelling and firing from across the border in Krishna Ghati sector in Poonch and Keri sector in Rajouri started around 1100 hours. The Indian Army is retaliating befittingly and there was no immediate report of any casualty on the Indian side in the Pakistani firing. North Korea fired multiple rocket launchers and tactical guided weapons from each East Coast the previous day under the personal supervision of leader Kim Jong-un. The test does not invalidate North Korea's self-declared moratorium on intercontinental ballistic missile tests, but it is clearly raises tensions with Washington and Seoul. The purpose of the drill was to estimate and inspect the operating ability and accuracy of striking duty performance of large caliber, long-range multiple rocket launchers and tactical guided weapons by defense units in the frontline area and on the Eastern Front. Now, let's have a look to some of the newspaper headlines published in some local dailies.
The Shanghai Express.
Both set to be counted in 34 holes on May 23. Pradhan, wife of murder man, produced before court as murder accused. Mob targets Irilbung police stations, blocks Imphal Ngarian Road. United Naga Council accuses Assam Rifle. Cyclone Fani, IT-1 flights cancelled across Northeast.
Imphal Free Press.
Such operation seems fitted. Prohibition of media persons was a misunderstanding, says Chief Minister. Manipur Human Rights Commission's registered suo moto case on reported increase of Zenon strikes. SC had clearly said no organization has right to enforce burn.
The People's Chronicle.
Zenim's nurses allege harassment by police. Firemen excluded as government fifth rescue team. Mob throws police station, 3 injured. Time to review Aspa, says Gan Huda. DC SDO told to check petty land shrinkage.
Before we wind up the news bulletin, the top stories once again. Lamlai locals protest school van shooting incident. Strewn garbage continues to be a menace in Imphal city. Major student bodies want construction of Jiribam Transit Accommodation Building at suitable site. That's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more update. Thank you.